So hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can create a free website without using your PC and without using your laptop. You can create a whole website by using only your mobile phone. You can also create a website through this application which I'm gonna recommend you today. Even if you don't have a little bit of coding knowledge or you have 0% of coding knowledge, you can create a website for free with only drag and drop system. So what we have to do is just only open our Play Store and type in here WordPress. As you already know about WordPress, but I bet you that you don't know about WordPress mobile version. So here is the WordPress mobile version, APK version. You simply click on it, install. Okay, now the WordPress is installed. Just simply click on open. Okay, now click on login or sign up with a wordpress.com, or you can, if you already have a website, then you can click on enter your existing site address. So I don't have a website. I am creating a website from a scratch. I don't even know about how to build a website. So what I will do is just simply click on login or sign up with wordpress.com, and from here type up your email address, or you can simply click on continue with Google. Okay, now simply click on create account. Okay, now here we have three options: create WordPress.com site, add self-hosted site. If you already have a site, then go for the second option. If you don't know anything, then simply click on not right now. So as I told you earlier that I am a newbie. I even didn't know how to code, and I even didn't know how to create a website by dragging and dropping through any CMS. So what I will do, I will just simply click on create WordPress.com site. Okay, now choose a design, pick your favorite homepage layout. You can edit and customize it later. So here are some basic themes. What I will do, scroll down here and I will go the second one. Simply click on choose and type a name for your site. In my case, it's Cybervision. Okay, now here are some domain names which are available: cybervision.core.blog, code.blog, data.blog. Okay, now code.blog is seems to be very professional. I will click on it and simply click on create site. Hooray, almost done. Your site will be ready shortly. So it's now building up some themes, some basic settings, and now simply, if all is done, your site has been created. You will be able to customize look and feel your site later. Simply click on OK. Our website work is done, and want a little help getting started. If you want a little help, then simply click on accept. If you don't, then simply click on no thanks. Okay, now here is a basic dashboard. Before going further, let's check our website. Just simply click on this cybervision.co.blog link and you will be redirected to your website. Okay, here's my website which I have created in less than 2 minutes in front of you. So it's the basic interface. I want to change it all. I want to edit my website. Just simply go back. From here you can see your stats, post, media and pages, plans, stats, activity log, and this is the main portion of this dashboard which is publish, and what you want to publish is blog post, media, site pages, comments. And from here look and feel, you can change your website themes. Okay, now here we have some blog posts. Simply create a post, page or story by clicking on this pink icon. You will be able to add a blog post, add a site page and add a story post. What I have to do here, just simply click on a blog post. I'm publishing a blog post here. Add a title for the post which is Cybervision. Start writing in here. So as this application, this WordPress application always works like it's a desktop version. There's not a vast difference between them. Just simply click on this plus icon to add paragraph, latest post, group, spacer, shortcode and much more from here. And if you simply click on image, you will be able to insert image in your post. Simply click on choose from device, click on allow, again allow, and you will be proceeded to your gallery. Okay, now I have selected an image, and after that if I have to publish it, simply click on preview, switch to classic editor, save whatever you want, but I want it to be published. And now here you can set your tags for this post, or you can set a category for this post, and you can simply click on publish now. Okay, now to check whether my post is published on this website or not, just simply click on this link. Okay, it seems pretty cool. Okay, now further I want to change my theme settings. What I will do, just simply go to look and feel theme, And in themes option, here are several different themes and your current active theme. As you can see, the status is active. I didn't want to change my theme, I want to edit my current theme. So what I have to do, simply click on customize and it will take us to the wordpress.com, which is a desktop version. Okay, enter your username which you have created in WordPress app, click on continue and type in your password here. Okay, now here you can see I jumped up into the menu where I can really customize my current theme which is applied to my current website. From here you can choose your site identity, you can change your site title from here, and you can also change your colors and backgrounds of your current theme. Simply click on save changes. Okay, now thanks for choosing Couture by Automatic. So it's the theme name. Okay, now to check whether our changes are working or not, just simply reopen your application and click on your site. Okay, now as you can see, the color for the text is changed to red color. Okay, now if I want further advancements to this website, I can even change menus, create menus, content options, widget options, home page settings, and even you can go to additional CSS. So guys, this is a basic tutorial of the WordPress on how to use it, how to create a website even if you don't have a PC or a laptop, and you can do all these tasks and you can create a whole new website by using only your mobile phone, and this method is entirely free. So guys, hope you like the video. If you like this video, simply click on the subscribe button and I will meet you in the next video.